Dear viewers, welcome to NEET MCQ Master. This session contains 15 NEET MCQs with their explanations. Question 1. Which of the following genotypes corresponds to the chromosome complement of Klinefelter syndrome? Options: 44 autosomes plus XO, 44 autosomes plus XXY, 44 autosomes plus XYY, 44 autosomes plus XY. The correct answer is 44 autosomes plus XXY. Question 2. How many pairs of contrasting traits did Mendel study in pea plants? Options: 5, 7, 8, 6. The correct answer is 7. Question 3. In an individual with the genotype capital T small t, what is the probability that the capital T allele will appear in a gamete? Options: 75%, 50%, 25%, 0%. The correct answer is 50%. Question 4. What is the term for the failure of sister chromatids to separate during meiosis? Options: chromosome replication error, non-disjunction, chromatid alignment failure, segregation disorder. The correct answer is non-disjunction. Question 5. The statement gametes are never hybrid corresponds to which of the following laws? Law of unit characters, law of independent assortment, law of segregation, law of genetic recombination. The correct answer is law of segregation. Question 6. Phenylketonuria is characterized by the presence of which substance in the urine? Options: elimination of phenylpyruvic acid through urine, elimination of glucose through urine, elimination of phenylalanine through urine, elimination of homogenetisic acid through urine. The correct answer is elimination of phenylpyruvic acid through urine. Question 7. A karyotype with 44 autosomes plus XO is associated with which of the following conditions? Options: Turner syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, Down syndrome, Marfan syndrome. The correct answer is Turner syndrome. We know that all these syndromes are caused due to chromosomal disorders. And in Turner syndrome, which is seen in females, usually a normal female has two X chromosome, but a female suffering from Turner syndrome, in her one X chromosome will be less. So it is X0. Question 8. The genes responsible for the 7 traits in pea plants studied by Mendel are located on 7 chromosomes, 4 different chromosomes, 3 different chromosomes, 5 different chromosomes. The correct answer is 4 different chromosomes. Question 9. What are alleles? Options: identical forms of a gene, slightly different version of the same gene, different genes controlling the same trait, alternative forms of unrelated genes. The correct answer is slightly different versions of the same gene. Question 10. Which ratio in incomplete dominance remains the same as in a Mendelian monohybrid cross? Allelic ratio, phenotypic ratio, genotypic ratio, heterozygous ratio. Correct answer: genotypic ratio. Question 11. Which of the following statements is correct? Options: every test cross is a back cross. A back cross is always a test cross. A test cross involves crossing F2 with F1. A test cross involves crossing F1 with one of the parents. The correct answer is every test cross is a back cross. We know that in test cross we are trying to test the genotype of the progeny. So it is the progeny that is crossed with the parent. And in this case, every cross where the progeny is crossed with the parent is called as a back cross. But in test cross, you are crossing the progeny with only with the recessive parent. So every test cross is a back cross, but every back cross is not a test cross. Question 12. A mother with blood group O has a child with blood group O. A man with blood group AB is sued for paternity. Which statement is true? The man is the biological father of the child. The claim of the mother is accurate and the father's paternity is possible. The man is not the biological father of the child. The paternity claimed is incorrect. The correct option is the man is not the biological father of the child. See here, the blood group of the man is AB. That means the alleles present in his body for blood group are IA and IB. But the allele for blood group O is small letter I, which is not present in the man's body, and so he cannot pass it to the child. Whereas if for the child the blood group is O, that is the child is having small letter I, the allele I. That means he had got that allele from mother. One allele from mother and another allele from father, and that father will have either blood group O or A or B, but never the father's blood group is going to be AB. So the man mentioned here in the question is not the biological father of the child. Question 13. Who is credited with discovering incomplete dominance? Hugo de Vries, Carl Correns, T.H. Morgan, Ernest Haeckel. Correct answer is Carl Correns. Question 14. The inheritance of blood groups represents which of the following conditions? Options: codominance, incomplete dominance, multiple allelism, dominance. Correct answer option A and option C. Option A is showing codominance and option C multiple allelism. When you take blood group, a person's body can have two alleles of the same gene, of a gene. So here for blood group, we are having three alleles for the gene. Those three alleles are IA, IB and small I. But an individual being diploid will never have all the three alleles together in his body. He will have any two at a time. So in that case, both the alleles in his body are getting equally expressed. So blood grouping is example of codominance. At the same time, since more than three alleles are there for this gene, this blood grouping is also example of multiple allelism. So the correct answer comes option A and option C, that is codominance and multiple allelism. Question 15. Who proposed the segregation of a pair of factors is a result of the pairing and separation of chromosomes? Options: Sutton and Boveri, Barbara McClintock, James Watson, Herman Muller. The correct answer is Sutton and Boveri. These are the two scientists who had proposed the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Thank you for watching the video. Please put your comments in the comment box and also subscribe the channel so that we can go ahead, and your motivation will be very helpful for us. Thank you.